channel. In this session, we have to see about React.js hooks. I thinking how all of you understand about the hooks in real time. What is the hooks? Hook is handling a something. வீட்டில் ஏதாவது தொங்க போடுறதுக்கு எதுக்கு ஒரு ஹூக்கு, கடற்கரையில் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா திமிங்களை மீனை பிடிக்கிறதுக்கான ஒரு ஹூக்ஸு, சரியா? அந்த மாதிரி we have to customize the code so that we control the each component customized. For example, if you're using a state component that has a state as a two state, one is zero state and one state, one is true, another one is false. Reference state, it will be refer from the another hooks. Okay, it will be another row rules and use state. Now see about here use effect. Next is use effect. Okay, use effects hooks are mainly used to for the components to affect the values when refreshing and the page reloading. That all the effect, the use effect will be called. For example, if you are requesting a API, for example, API from the backend server, you use the use effect because the data will be get from the server and it will be automatically fetch and reloading that is index. For example, if the server is failure, that will be shows on a 200 error. If the server is 404 file not found, that's also will be shows on this. Okay, you saw that is will be use effect. It will be displays the what. For example, if errors are coming, you can use also use effect to display the console.log to display. Okay, you can see here users of it. I am declaring console.log and I welcome to hello anything variable you can declare. Okay, see console.log. I am declaring of the set state. I am declaring a use state. Already I told the use state as a true and another one state is false. 0 1. First I declaring a 0 for state. See this program use state as I declare as a 0. This will state hooks will be as a customizing the code. Okay. In previous time, JavaScript are created right as a weak logical programming, but now hooks will be as a three types of hooks using. No, one is use state, another is use reference, and another is use effect. Effect only used on the already I told fetch method. Okay, use effect is only on to use on the fetch method. Okay, now see about why we use effect. Why use effect? It is fetching data from the API. Okay, see that fetching from data from API. It is also I discussed with you. Next, what will we use as a use effect? If you are connecting Axios or front and back end applications within this, automatically DOM will be manually updating. Refresh, do not be able to refresh, automatically DOM will be update. Okay, next. You see, subscribing unsubscribing events, that is, you have learn about a much timer and interval. For example, if you are creating a application for the exam portal, automatically the time will be set out and time will be log out options also. What is the side effect of use effect? The use effect also has a dependency variable. So here we only run after one render only. One time only. Runs once means hello world also, the components also each time running and dependency also each time happening. This is a common limitations of use effect hooks.